Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a price alert that you have set on the Libertex trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Libertex trading app on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the homepage. From here, you can take a glance at all of the markets and their prices. Now, if you have set an alert for any commodity and you wish to remove it, then you will need to go into the More option at the bottom right corner. From here, if you scroll down a little bit, then you will find the Notifications tab. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on Price Alerts. Now, within the Price Alerts section, you will see all of the alerts that you have set. You can tap on the Delete Alert option in order to delete the alert for this commodity that you have entered. Just tap on the Delete button, and whenever you are asked to confirm your decision, tap on the OK button. And now your price alert has been deleted. Now, if you have multiple price alerts that you have set, you can delete them all. Or you can also tap on the toggle at the top to disable price alerts for all of the commodities. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to disable or remove price alerts that you have set on the Libertex trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.